In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off reading pane in Gmail. Alright, so I'm starting here on my browser, and I'm just going to go ahead and open up gmail.com. Once the page loads, I'll make sure I'm signed into my account, and now I'm looking at my inbox. From here, I'm going to move up to the top right corner of the screen and click on that little gear icon. That's the settings button, so I'll go ahead and click on it, and a small panel opens up. Now from this panel, I'm going to click on See All Settings so I can access the full settings page. Once I click that, it takes me into a new screen with a bunch of tabs across the top. At this point, I'm going to look for the Inbox tab, so I'll go ahead and click on Inbox, and now I'm in the section where I can control how my inbox is displayed. Now I'm just going to scroll down a bit because the option we're looking for isn't right at the top. As I scroll, you'll see different settings, and I'm going to keep going until I find the section labeled Reading Pane. Alright, here it is. Under Reading Pane, you'll see a few different options for how emails are displayed when you click on them. Right now, I'm going to select the option that says No Split. So I'll go ahead and click on No Split. And that means the reading pane will be turned off. So emails won't automatically open beside your inbox. Once that's done, the setting is selected, but it hasn't been saved yet. So I'm going to scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page. Down here, you'll see the Save button. I'm going to click on that, and Gmail will apply the changes and refresh. And just like that, the reading pane is turned off. So your emails will now open in a separate view instead of being split on the screen.